The Great Pyramids of Giza rise from the desert floor, standing as a monumental testament to the ingenuity of ancient Egyptian engineering. For thousands of years, historians and engineers have marveled at how these massive limestone structures were constructed without any modern machinery. The secret to this architectural feat begins with the Nile River, which acted as the essential lifeblood and highway for the entire project. Vast quantities of limestone were harvested from distant quarries, then loaded onto heavy wooden barges to be transported along the river currents. During the annual flood season, the Nile rose, allowing engineers to dig temporary canals that brought water directly to the construction site. These man-made waterways acted as a delivery system, enabling boats to drop off massive stone blocks just meters away from the building base. Once the stones reached the shore, workers transferred them onto large wooden sleds designed to carry immense weight across the desert terrain. Dragging these heavy blocks over loose sand would normally be impossible, but the Egyptians discovered a clever trick to simplify the task. By pouring water onto the sand in front of the sleds, they stiffened the surface, significantly reducing the friction that would otherwise stop them. This simple application of physics allowed teams of laborers to move multi-ton blocks with far less effort than one might expect. As the base of the pyramid was completed, the structure began to rise, requiring new methods to lift stones to higher elevations. Builders constructed elaborate ramp systems, which were essential for hauling the heavy limestone blocks up to the growing tiers of the structure. Some archaeological theories suggest a long, straight ramp, while others propose a spiraling path that wrapped around the exterior of the pyramid. Regardless of the ramp design, the precision required to shape each individual block was achieved using simple copper chisels and stone hammers. Workers meticulously carved and polished every piece, ensuring that each block fit against its neighbor with almost invisible, airtight seams. Once the core was set, the outer casing was finished with polished white limestone, creating a surface that gleamed brilliantly under the sun. The sheer scale of this project was staggering, requiring thousands of skilled laborers working in highly organized teams throughout the entire year. Contrary to popular myths, these workers were not slaves, but organized groups of citizens contributing to a monumental national project. They were part of a sophisticated labor force, divided into crews that competed to complete their assigned sections with pride and efficiency. To support this massive workforce, the state built purpose-built towns near the construction site to house thousands of laborers. These workers received consistent food rations and even medical care, including treatment for injuries sustained during the demanding construction process. The project was a massive, coordinated effort that spanned decades, reflecting the immense power and organization of the ancient Egyptian state. Each stone placed was a calculated step in a grand design that honored their pharaoh and defined the landscape for eternity. Today, these pyramids remain a lasting legacy, showcasing how human collaboration and basic physics can build wonders that defy the passage of time.